The RCCG Lagos Province 35-2025 one-week skills acquisition and entrepreneurship training is here again. Theme: Empowered to Thrive. For 5,000 Naira, you can register for any of these courses: culinary courses, bread and cake making, catering, pastry and small chops, fashion-related courses, barbing, fashion design, gele tying and makeup, hairdressing and wig making, tie and dye and screen printing, IT courses, coding and robotics, digital marketing, graphics design, photography, video recording and editing, web design, crafts and home essential courses, events decoration and planning, household essentials, interior decoration and soft furnishing. There will be free intro to digital marketing and entrepreneurship classes by business experts. Date: Monday 1st September to Sunday 7th September 2025, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. daily. Scan the QR code to register. See flyers for more details. Venue: RCCG Christ Church, Block A, Plot 6, Redemption Crescent, Road beside UPS, Gbagada Expressway, Lagos. Be empowered to thrive.